How to get bombs in Royal Match. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pair up to make bombs in the game. First of all, open your application. Now I'm in game. So I'm going to show you how you can make bomb or the booster in the game. So in order to make a bomb, you must have L shape of this combo. So any of the symbols or these letters that is of L will make a bomb. So as you can see, even in the suggestion of this yellow, just tap on or swipe on it. So as you can see, this TNT bomb has been created. So it is a type of a booster or a type of a special weapon in the game. So in order to use it, you can just swipe it or just tap on it. So as you can see, it has been used. So this is how you form bomb in the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.